Hey guys, I filmed my entire makeup collection and I went to edit the video. It was corrupted. So here goes. This is my second try. I really hope you appreciate this. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give the video a big thumbs up. Today I decided to show you my makeup stash. And this is it. This is everything. So we're going to begin with the first bag, which is my everyday makeup collection. I've had this bag for a really long time, maybe 2005 or 6. So in this bag I carry my fast face kit, my lip gloss, my kabuki brush from e.l.f. Let's see what else I have in there. My Blue Lizard sunscreen, a tiny mirror. So I have a beauty blender that needs to wash, a tiny mirror, a concealer, my lip sunscreen, a lippy pencil, a lip liner, and a lippy stick. So let's go over everything. So this is my Blue Lizard sunscreen. That's the one I add over the top of my makeup if I need to reapply, especially after I teach. Sometimes I wash my face and I reapply. And this is my lip sunscreen from Verni Cream. I learned about this one from Dr. Dre. I try to use it every day. My fast face kit is so this is a powder, a blush, a highlighter, and a contour. So this kit is stunting, and you can see the face powder is called Young Stunner, the blush is called Bling Bling, the highlight is called So Icy, and the contour is Flushing. So what I do normally is I'd put on my sunscreen, and then I'd use my kabuki brush to put on my powder, my blush, my highlight, my contour, and I do something with the lips and I'm done. If I need to cover anything, or if my under eyes are really dark, I'll use this stick concealer. I got it at SNS for, that's not true, I got it at MNC on sale for like $2 EC. This is a Revlon lip gloss. This is like my everyday lip gloss. It's in the shade 245. Let's look at this really closely. Okay, all I can tell you is it's in the shade 245. I got it at MNC. I also got this long wear waterproof gel lip liner. The brand is Absolute New York. I got it on sale at MNC. And this is my ColourPop lippy sticks. This is in the color Love, and I like it when I need a little bit extra color. And this is another ColourPop lip pencil. This is in the color Overtime. So this is what I'll usually carry with me, and this is what I wear most often. So you can just push that off to the side. I also have this Kaboodles makeup case in case I need to travel with more makeup than my everyday collection. This case is really nice. It sits nicely on my dresser. It has a mirror and it has 2 trays for makeup. So we'll just explore what's in there. A hair tie, some more dirty beauty blenders, my Fit Me powder, this eye polish that this eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow that I got from MNC. More stuff. This is an eye pencil I got from MNC. It's from JCat Beauty. It's in the color some sort of green. This is the Maybelline brow. I got this in the airport in Miami. This is in the color deep brown, but I need a darker color than that. This is a felt tip eyeliner from e.l.f. I want to say I bought this at MNC. Also in here I have one of my favorite eye mascaras. It's the Grand Entrance Mascara by Elizabeth Arden. I only buy this sample size. This is another concealer. It's from Absolute Beauty. I got it for like $1 at MNC on sale, and it's really good for highlighting my brows. Then I also have one of my favorites is this Night Day Lip Duo from e.l.f. I got it on sale at MNC, and this is the night color. It's a little more rosy, and the day color is a little more peachy and mauvey and just barely shows up. Then the final thing in my caboodles case is two LA Girl concealers. Right now, that's my favorite concealer. This color over here, beautiful bronze, matches my skin tone and it's great for covering up. And then this color fawn is really great for highlighting. And that's everything in my caboodles makeup case. So since we're on concealers, let's take a look at these others over here. So the rest of my makeup I keep in this tray from my Eco Tools brush set. So when it comes to concealers, I tried these Maybelline Dream Lumi Touch concealers. They're okay, they're nothing to write home about. I think I only paid $1 for them at MNC. And this Maybelline Age Rewind, I've been trying to make it work and it doesn't work for me. I also picked up at MNC on sale these little highlight palettes. They're nothing to write home about. They're a little dusty, so sometimes I'll use them, but lately I haven't been using them that much since I got my Fast Face kit. The other highlighter that I bought, I only bought it because of the name. If you look, you'll see the name is St. Lucia, and that's the only reason I bought it. It has a mirror and it has these two colors. They're okay, they don't really show up that much on my skin. I got it on sale, so I don't mind. It's like my only novelty item. Let's talk about foundation. This is the foundation that I've used ever since I couldn't find a good tinted moisturizer that didn't sting my skin, and it is discontinued. I love this color Cappuccino. It blends into my skin so well and makes everyone just think I have really good skin. So I'm searching for something that can replace this, but unfortunately I haven't found something affordable that just melts into my skin yet. I also tried from Revlon this Candid Walnut shade. It just is a little more coverage than I like. I also have some samples from the lip bar of their makeup. I like the idea of their makeup because it comes with a brush attached to the tube. I have the colors 4.01 and 4.02. I want to say 4.01 works better on my skin, but I'm not sure, so you can go ahead and look at that video. I'll try and link it in the iCards so you can see it. You can order at least 3 samples every time you order from the lip bar, which is really good and helps you with color matching, and the samples are free. This is the only primer I have. It's the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. I'm not sure it does anything, so yeah, I don't think I would repurchase this. This is the Great Lash Big Lash. This is the brand I've been using for forever. So I only most recently diversified my lashes. I usually keep this in my everyday makeup bag, but somehow it's not there. I must have used it and not put it back. I most recently bought this Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect, and when I wear it, it really does look like I'm wearing false lashes. People actually ask if I'm wearing false lashes, but I do have some healthy lashes to begin with. So let's talk about lips. I love reds, and I've been experimenting with greens because I'm thinking about trying to do a mermaid look. So I have this red I bought because Nappy Headed Jojoba was wearing it. This is from ColourPop. It's in the color Arriba. This is from e.l.f. Revolution, and it's just like a sparkly mermaidy, and you know I love everything mermaid, so I had to get it. And it has little mermaid scales on the outside, but I find the glitter in this is very chunky and scratchy, so I don't use it very much. I have this liquid lip called in the shade Siren from e.l.f. Revolution, and I bought it for my makeup look. It's okay. It's a little drying. It feels like it needs a little gloss top or a lip balm underneath it to make it really pop. It just maybe just doesn't complement my skin the right way. And I bought two Safiya Nigad X Colourpop lipsticks after watching Kinky Sweat's review of them. I'll try to link it. And I got the color Brucey and the color Fred. I love Safiya, so it was nice to get them, and they were limited edition. So I like that they have the bats on the side, and this color is just right up my alley. That's a color I would wear every day. And like I said, I've been experimenting with greens and that like mermaid cold from the water look, so that's why I got Fred as well. I have the MAC Fix Plus, which I just absolutely adore, and I tried this NYX Bear With Me because it's supposed to be a dupe for the MAC Fix Plus, and it works as a dupe if you use it as a primer and then use it as a setting spray. And now for the palettes. I keep them in this bag because I only have 4 palettes. Alright, so here's the palette. This one is, I got it at Marshall's. It was $7.99, and I was looking for something with greens and golds. It really stood out to me, the color story, so I said I'd try it. The next palette I got is the Ma palette from Colourpop because you get a theme right, mermaids. I really enjoy the colors in this palette, but this middle shade here, Gridlock, it just goes to hard pan really quickly, and this one over here my way too, but they make really nice looks. This palette is from Tommy X Revolution, and I really wanted to support an eyeliner girl, and the color story really just spoke to me. Unfortunately, it seems I've lost that shade over here, but I'm sure I can fix it. I really love the greens and the reds and the bright colors. It just makes me think of the island. My most recent palette is Through My Eyes from I Love Shuri, and again it's from Colourpop, and I really wanted something with silver sparkles and reds and greens, so I chose this, but I didn't realize this color over here wasn't really silver. But you guys, that's it for my palettes. Before I bought these palettes, I only used to get the quads with the little eyes on them that told you where to put each shade, and now I have 4 palettes. I know it's not much of a collection, but thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you enjoyed my video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends so that they can enjoy my content too. And I'll catch you in the next video.